Hi friends, welcome back to Money Matters. Now, Money Matters. First we saw how to earn money. Then we saw how to spend money. Now, let us discuss how to save money. Saving money does not mean not to spend money at all, like a miser. No, it means spending it wisely and prudently. Spending wisely means knowing what is worth paying for and what is not. So, if you have a job, set aside 20 to 30% of your salary into a monthly SIP, systematic investment plan. Second, if you have a business and face difficulties in managing expenditure, use Cashbook. With the Cashbook, you can use UPI powered wallets to your employees, where you can set limits and track spending. And finally, if you don't have a job or business, you should focus on building your skills and find ways to earn money. Thank you.